My name is Antor, and I'm web core leader for the web division lead. And today we are going to start the event Introduction to WordPress. So basically, I'll start with the WordPress, and I'll let you know all of you what is the WordPress and how WordPress does work, and how can we create our websites through WordPress. So let's start with the slider that we did. So WordPress powers over 1/3 of all the websites on the internet, and it provides a flexible way to create and customize websites without need of any special technical knowledge. So when I start with the WordPress, that time I had not any coding knowledge, but I had to start one website in short time, and therefore I learned WordPress, how to create a website with it without no any programming knowledge. So we will start with this WordPress today, and after finish that event, you will able to familiar with the WordPress dashboard and WordPress pages, post. You will know how WordPress theme work and all the plugins. And after that, we'll create one website. Let's say a very simple website, probably our portfolio website, and I'll show you like how to create it. And once we're done, you will able to create your own portfolio through WordPress. So I already sent the instruction before how to create WordPress and how to install the WordPress as well. So as you can see, WordPress is fastly using like all of the companies, all of the famous companies like BBC America, the New York Times, all of the big companies using WordPress, as well as the Walt Disney Company, TechCrunch, Sony Music, etc. And how to install WordPress, I think we can skip it. I already showed you guys how to install WordPress. You can just simply follow that link, the link I provided in the slider, and simply just download that link and install the WordPress in your PC. So I hope all of you already downloaded that WordPress and already installed to your PC. And since we already after we install the WordPress, and we can just follow this link, and then you need to log into your WordPress dashboard. So in order to log in, you need to type wp admin and then click enter. So once you come to the login page, and you can use the credentials that I suggested you in the slider. So you can use the same credential in order to log into WordPress dashboard. So once you log into the dashboard, you can see here we have all the option on the left hand side, and this is your WordPress dashboard. It's very simple, and you can see on the left hand side there is like post, all the post category, and the media. If you want to upload any kind of file, image, or PDF, you can use that one. And we have page, comments, appearance, and all other things. So let's start with one by one. From here, you can just click on the visit page, visit site, and it'll be here. And this is like your website homepage. So whatever customization you do, all the things will be appear here. And if you make any kind of changes, you can see from here. So we will make the changes from WordPress dashboard, and you can see the result from the WordPress front end. And for that, we need to go first on the appearance and then themes. So first of all, we'll familiar with the WordPress themes. So you can just navigate to appearance and then click on the themes. So first of all, we'll install one theme. So for that, it's like very basic. We just need to go to the themes and then add new, and you can search any kind of theme. You can see all the themes already appeared here, so you can choose any of the theme, or you can go and click for your particular theme. You can just search and then install it. So for now, as an example, we'll go with the Astra. So just click Astra theme to install, and then it will be installed to your WordPress dashboard. To activate it, so you'll see one button appeared here as active.
I have a question. So we can apply. Sorry, I don't have any kind of previous knowledge of WordPress. I have built a website with shortcodes and HTML and CSS, but and Hugo, which is also templates based framework. But so is it similar to Hugo, as you can say, because Hugo has also themes that we can apply for various kinds of websites. So
Yes.
these are the same thing.
Okay, I don't have experience on that, but the themes basically for all the websites, I think is quite similar. We need to install any theme or framework, something like that, so we can apply it to the website, and then we can customize as the way we want. So first of all, we are going to install one theme, and then we will customize that theme. Customize meanings we'll add our information, we'll add our picture, we will put our text, images, all of the things. So just now we just install the theme called Astra, but you can install any other themes you want. So, and then you can see there is like customize option. So just click on that customize option, and then it will take you to the customize page. And from here, you can make any kind of changes to your website. So let's say, first of all, our website name. What will give our website name? So here you can see, you can click on that particular area. So once you click here, you can see there is like logo option. Means you can upload your website logo as well as your site title. So for the site title, let's say we can create any site title. So instead of personal portfolio, we can add any name like Intisar portfolio, or as my name like Ontor Ahmed portfolio, something like that. And then we can upload our website logo. So you guys already know like what is the logo. So for logo, so I have one logo for my website. So I'll go and upload it. Let's say for Ontor Ahmed only, and then you can upload the logo. You can crop the logo as the way you want. And as you can see, our logo is like very big, so it's taking like almost all the part from the website. So we can make it small or adjust it. Let's say we put like 140 pixel, and then we have all other options like display site title. You can display the title, or if you don't want, you can hide it. So for now, we'll hide the name since we have the name on the logo. And then we have site icon. Site icon is something like this, favicon. And we have site title. We have display site tagline. Tagline is something you want as your company tag or your personal tag. So for now, we'll hide it, and then you can see like all other options. So since we already made some changes on the website, so we can just click publish. So whatever changes you did, it will publish. Let's say you go to the home page and just refresh your home page. So you can see like here is the logo, and then we can add our pages here, like let's say home, about, myself, or my company work, or anything. Let me show you my website first, how we did for our website. So as you can see, this is a basic website. We have all the option here. We have the menu, or you can go to any website, like let's say education. First of all, we need to understand like what this website is about and what the service they provide. Example website, they have logo in the middle, and they have all the services on the menu. So they have contact us, blog, they have testimonial. Right hand side, we can put one menu where all the pages will be appear here. So once we make the changes, we can just cross the browser to go to the WordPress dashboard. So this is the dashboard, and now we will add one plugin that will help us to customize our website. So we just customize the header now, but we didn't make any changes on the main page. Let's say all of these pages. So we need to go to the add plugin and add one plugin. The plugin means it will help us to create our website, and it will help us to customize all the functions. So as plugin, we can go and install Elementor plugin. So I just pasted the Elementor plugin name in the chat box. And once we search the Elementor, you will see Elementor website builder is appeared here, as well as other plugins. So we'll skip all of those and we'll install the Elementor first. This is very first time, so it could be really confusing to you, but it's really super easy once you start with this. So after we install the plugin, then we need to
By the way, what's okay?
Okay, so let's say we start with the Elementor and we'll activate. And one brother said that, do I have any experience with the Oxygen page builder yet or no? I haven't tried yet, but we can search for it and let's see what is it about. So let's search for Oxygen and see if we can find it or not. Okay, so Oxygen, I guess it is a LMS plugin, which is Learning Management System. It will help us to create a system that we can teach to other people, or any tutorial websites we can make with that. So it's like another plugin. If you want to create any, let's say you want to sell your tutorial, or probably you have so many videos that you want people to pay for them, so we can use it, and there's a lot of work to get the site done, and after that we can start selling those videos. So I didn't try yet, but similar to Oxygen, there is other plugin, there's a LearnDash. I do use LearnDash a lot. LearnDash, and then we have Wordpress as well. Okay, so since we installed the Elementor plugin, So we can go to the plugin and we'll able to see there is like Elementor. We just activated the Elementor. So we can go to the pages, all pages. So basically what does page mean? Page means the menu. Let's say we have home page. So the one we are just working now is the home page, and then we have portfolio page, team page. So in the team page, you will show up all the team profile over there. On the service, you will show up your services as well. And for the blog, you'll show up all the blog posts. And then we have contact us, free quit, all of these things. So basically, these called the pages. So for our website, we'll create 3 pages for now. So we need to navigate to the page and then create those pages. Okay. So since we are starting with the portfolio page, so I'll start 3 pages. One is service. The service we provide, we will put on there, and then contact us page as well. So first of all, we need to create home page, publish. So as you can see, here is one page called home, and then we'll create one more page, service or services, and then publish, and then one more page called contact us. So as you can see here, we have 3 pages: home, contact us, and service. We have 2 more pages and we don't need them. So just select those pages and then move to trash and then apply it. So we have only 3 pages over here. But if you go here, okay, so as you can see, it's already appeared automatically here on the menu, right hand side, contact us, home, and service. But it's not like in order. Let's say we need to put home in first and then service and then contact us. So in order to do that, we need to go to the WordPress backend and then same thing. You can see appearance and then themes. But instead of themes, we'll go to the menu where we will find all of these pages and we can arrange them. So we need to create one menu. Just let's say we'll give it main menu and then create menu. After we create the menu, you can see on the left hand side there is all the pages we just created from pages. So all the pages already appeared here, and you can select all of them that you want to show on the menu, and then you can just rearrange them, which one you want to show first and which one you want to show second. And once you rearrange them, you can just like save menu, and once you click save menu, and you can see the result appeared in the home page. So just refresh it, and then you can see over here. Okay, so it didn't make any changes here. And for that, probably we need to go to the customize section and then select the menu. You can see from the customize there is one menu, and then we have all the menu in order. Okay, so the display location, we need to select primary menu, and then you see the changes already appeared over here. So when you create the menu, you just need to do one thing: arrange all of this menu like home, service, and contact us, and then you need to select that menu as a primary menu. So primary menu means it will appear on your website homepage. So basically that's the thing. So our menu already changes. So this three menu means this is 3 pages. So let's say if we have services, once we click service page, all the service will be appear here. But for now, it's not showing anything because we didn't create any page for the service yet. Same for contact us and same for home. Nothing is here. So what we need to do, we need to go there pages to all pages, and then we need to click edit the home because we will edit the home page first. And for that, you need to click edit just from here, and then you can see there's a lot of option. You can see the template option, default template, permalinks, and all other things. So for the template, we'll click Elementor full wide and then update it. After that, once you click the home, and then you need to click edit with Elementor. Now we are going to the front end. Means whatever we do, we'll do from the front end. So it will be really easy for you, and also you'll get to understand like how we are going to work. So as you can see here, we can select add new section. So for now, let's say I want to add one slider here. So just click one box, and then from here you can add any option from the left hand side. So we have all the widgets here. We have intersection, heading, image, text editor, video, button. This is really simple. Whatever you want to add, just you can click on that and drag and drop to the main section. So for now, we'll add one image. So just click image and then drag and drop to the homepage. It's basically like for the Wix website, something like Wix, yeah. So you can click on that image, and then you can see choose image or upload image. So this is very simple. Just upload one image. For now, okay. For now, I'll add one image from here. Let's say you are very expert on SEO services or whatever, or you can add any other images you want. Okay. So upload that image, and then it will appear on the home page. If it is too big, you can make it small as well from here. Something like that. Okay, so for now we'll go for large, and you see this is like website slider or something, so you can use that one, and then just click update from the left hand side, and then you want to add some details about yourself or probably about your company. So as we are doing the portfolio section, so we just did one image, and now we'll go for 2 block, and on that block on the left hand side we'll add some text. On the right hand side we will add your picture. So you need to click here, and then let's say we'll add one heading. We'll call that about myself. Okay, about myself. And then after the heading we'll add text editor, and on that text editor you will able to put some text about yourselves or another thing. So for now we just put some random text, and then as this section about yourself, so it should be it would look good if you add one picture, one of your picture on the right hand side. So just click on that and then go to image and then drag and drop to the right hand side box, and then you can upload your one picture over here. Okay, so let's say this is your picture. So this is a picture and this is about yourself. If you have more text, you can add over as well. So this is about you and this is your picture, and after that you will add what service you provide. So let's say we are going to provide 3 services. One is web developing, another one is like graphic design or probably coding, or another one is like video editing, something like that. So if you have 3 service, you can select 3 box. If you have 2 service, you can select 2 box, something like that. So we'll go for 3 box, and within the 3 box we'll add like 3 service. So first of all, we will have the service name, and that one we need to add in heading, because it will look good if you just highlight your services. So web development, and then under the web development you can add some text, just like a slide details what is web development, and also if you have any image you can add over there. So for now we'll add the image between those text and we'll upload one image. So let's say we provide SEO. Better we make the image first and then title and then the details. So SEO will make it center, the title, and also all the text in center. So if you want to arrange those text, you can just click on the style, and from here text editor you can see all the option available: left, right, justify, or the center. And also you can change the text color, make it black, or if you want to change this color, so go to style and then text color, and then we have text shadow. We have all the options over here. So the SEO is done. We'll go for another one. Image, select and upload one image, and then heading, make it okay, make it center, and then you can add the text editor in the below. And we have one more box, and we'll add one more services over there.
There's a question in the chat box if you...
Okay, sure. Let me check. So let's say this one is for another, and this is we can do video editing. You can make it center and then text editor. So basically all of this. Yes, of course, we can do whatever you want. So let me just arrange it first, and then I'll show you like how to change the font style and color. So now everything is pretty similar, all in the center. And let's say you want to change this font style or color. Font style, okay. So if you want to change this font style, So you need to go to style, and then you can see like there is typography, and in the typography option you can find all the font available here. So for the default is like Roboto, and then we can change it to anything else. So you see the style is changing. We have Ruda and all of this. This is one more style. Yeah. So you can make it very stylish as well. We have all of this popular font style as well. Excuse me. So same thing for title as well. You can go to typography, and then you can change the font you want. And also from the typography you can see there is one more option called size. So yeah, it depends on you like what size you want to give. And then we have weight of the text. You can make it more bold or make it like very slim, something like that, depends on you. And we have transform, and we have style, decoration. Style is like italic and all of these things. So we have so many options over here, and we can do whatever you want. Okay, so I think you already got your answer. And same thing for all of the title and the text. You can just go style and then typography and change the what call font style. And whatever you did, and if you want to save until those, if you want to save all of this, so you can just click update from the left hand side, and whatever we did, it will update. So we didn't finish yet, but we can go to the home page and just reload that home page, and you can see the changes over here. So yeah, this is about yourself, your picture, SEO, and all of these things. Now, if I show you one example, I think you will get very clearly. So basically here on the left hand side, there is like one logo. On the right hand side, we did this one, home service contact. So we have other pages as well. And here on the background, we added one picture, and then we changed the text, changed the title, and all of these things. And let's say this one is like just title color, and this is one divider, and this is the services. So instead of image, we added icon over here. So just added icon. So let's say you want to add icon over here instead of image. So you can see over here there is like one option, icon. So drag and drop the icon, and you can select icons from icon library. There is a lot of icon available. So basically these are the things. For now, we'll delete the icon. So next, what we can do, we can add one nice banner. Let's say, okay, this is quite a complex website, and once you have more experience, and then you create. So let's say this is quite attractive section for all of us. So we'll go and create this section. So as example, we can use this section and create this one. And for that, excuse me. So we need that background image. I'm not sure if I have it, or we can get it from here. We can use inspect and get this image. Okay, so I have that image. So once we download that image, I'm sorry like for so many noises here. So we can go and as an example, we'll select one box only, since it's like one full box. So just go to edit and then select one box, and here we can add that image, the one we just downloaded. So click on that, and then you can see style, and on the style here you can see like background type. So we'll go classic, once you click on the classic, you can see the image option, so you can upload that image. So the one we just downloaded, we can just upload it and then insert media. Now it's very small. We don't have any height on that section, but here, as you can see, it's like a lot of space available. So we can go here or size or repeat, attach. Okay, not here, but we can go layout and then you can see wide. Okay, you can just play with it. Or we have height, fit to screen. Okay, so we have the option here on the layout and then height. For the height, we just put one default fit to screen, and then it will look something like this. After that, what we need to add? We need to add this text. This is basically at heading. Okay, so this is a heading. So we need to go down and then we can click on the heading and add it over there. As you can see, the heading already added. We'll make it center and then we'll copy that section and add it over here. Just copy and paste it, and then we'll make it white, the color, the text color. So it's pretty similar, the one you can see. And we have one more text, and this one we can use text editor since it's very small. From the heading and then in the down, you can see the text editor, and then paste that text you have and make it center. So it's something like this, but the text editor need to make white. Okay, so we'll make it white. And then what we have, this is a button. This button something that once you click, it will transfer you to any other page or any other web pages. So from here you can see there is one option called button. We call it widget. So from the left hand side, we can drag and drop that button and make it center. Currently it's on the left hand side, so just make it center. And then okay, instead of those text, we can change the text here. We have click here now, but we'll change it to contact us. And then we have one more option, the link. So if client or any of your friend click on that button, where it should go? So it must need to go somewhere. So once they click on the contact us, they should arrive to the contact us page. Which one will edit later on? So just click on the contact us and then copy that link, the URL. Just copy that one. And as you can see, here is the link, and paste that link over here. So whoever click on contact us button, and it will redirect to this page. Very simple. And then update. If you want to change the button color, go to style and then change background color, the button background color to something like that, just say for red. And you can even change the text color to something else as well. We'll make it black for now. So as you compare, it's pretty similar to this, but the button color is not same, so we can make it something similar to this, and the text color should be white. Okay, and then update. So we already done this section, and we can go to the home page again and then just refresh it. Okay, so once we click on that home page, as you can see, the full section already created here. It's very nice if you see. So you need to select any example page or example website, and then you can create by yourself. Okay, now we'll go to the most important section, that is called our theme. So from the next section, let's say we want to create one example from here. So We'll add one section, one box, and then add heading. Make it center. And what is this? This is called divider or something you want to divide from the heading. So we'll go here and you can see divider is over here, drag and drop there. And you can hide this panel on the left hand side. So you can see the divider is too long. So we can make it short, very short, and then you can make it center. And then from the style, you can use this color. So for now, we want to use the exact color it's using on our site. Okay, so we got the color code already, and then you can just paste it here. And the white, you can make it 2 to make it bold, or make it 3 to make it more bold. And then the color and the style, text color, we just copied that color code and then paste it over here. It will look something like that, yes. And let's say if we have this text is close, is very edge to the top section, so we need to make some space over here. So you need to click on that
Can
section.
you explain what you did in the Chrome window code that you did for the underline?
Okay, so basically this one is not related to WordPress. This is something basic for the Google Chrome, how you can select the text color or the text style. So for that, you can just click on the inspect. We do this one for the developer mode. So we will know for any kind of website. Let's say we come to the let's say, okay, we stick with this and just find out what we are doing. So you can just click on that text and then inspect, and from here from here you can see here is like color code, means this text color code is this. I couldn't expand it. Okay, somehow I couldn't extend this window. Okay, so this text color code is this. So you can just simply copy this color code and then paste to any of the place. Let's say you just paste it on the Google and you'll see the color code. So this is the code, or you can collect the color code from anywhere else, and then you will find out like what font is this and what the font size, font line height, spacing, all the things. So this is font size 35, this text heading, and font style. Okay, if you go here one by one, and you'll see the font style as well. So I just collect the color code here and then use it over here. Is it clear? Is it clear, brother? Okay, let's say we need to collect this color code. So just click on the inspect.
Sorry, my mic was muted. Yeah, it's clear.
Okay, so once you click on that text, and then you can go down and you see there is like color code. Okay, and then we can just copy the color code and use it to your WordPress. Change the color code. We can use any other color as well, and we can select from here. Doesn't matter. Okay, so now we are going to change both color code to the same one, and then we'll make some space from the top. And here we have margin, top, bottom. So if you want to make some space on the top, make it 50 or make it 100, so it will be more space, or make it 25, something like that. So for now we'll make it 50, so we have some space and it's not touching to the top section. And then we'll go to we'll go here and we'll copy this text, but this is just for example. If you have your personal portfolio, you can put any kind of text over here as the way you want, and make it center. You need to remember that every time we copy the text, and we need to paste it as a plain text, so you will not copy the previous text style. And then we already finished the heading, divider, text editor, and now we'll add one more heading, text editor, one more heading, text editor. And I guess you guys already know what is this. This is just a simple image, so we just download it first, but for your case you can use your image. And now we need to guess like how many section, how many box will take. So as you can see, there is like 2 box only we need, so we can just select 2, and then we can add those images over here. Just click, drag and drop image, upload your image wherever you downloaded, insert it, and then again upload one more image. For now we are using the same image, and then you can add one heading in the back, and then add your name, and then add your designation or whatever you are expert at. Just paste your text, make it center, finish. So for the second one is like pretty same. We need to add the text editor, keep the name, let's say this for now, and then we can add the designation. Something like that. So basically this section almost done, and you can do the same thing. Go to the next section, add 4 box, then same thing, add 1 image, their title, text editor. So this will be the same thing just we did here, and then just click update and go to your WordPress homepage, click refresh, and you can see on the down below there is 2 profile already uploaded. But for your portfolio, you need a very good image for you here, probably for here as well, and you can add whatever you do, describe it, what the service you do for others, you can describe it, and you can add your team member profile here as well. So whatever I just did, basically pretty simple for the other sections as well. So I'll just wait for some questions. If you guys have any question, you can ask me too. Now let's say, for example, how can we make some space over here, because it's touching the edge to the top header. So just go on that section, advanced, and then if you want to add some space on top, just add some space on top. If you want to add some space on the down below, on the bottom, just add some space on the bottom. It's very simple. You can change the text color as well as the way you want. Or let's say this is like very random image. This is not matching with this one, and this is not matching with this one. It's like a big, small, or short, something like that. So you can go and make this as your image and upload all the image in the same size. That's all. And if we refresh, this is very interesting learning, and you can easily create your website through this. You don't need any coding, and you don't need to spend thousands of hours by coding all of this. And using this, you can add all other features like e-commerce and all other things. Let's say, for example, I did this full website using WordPress. So you already know, like, let's say for this section, what I did. This is one box, this is one box, this is one box, and it's like another one. So what I did, this is one image. So I just add one image, and then this is text editor. Just we did like 2 minutes ago, text editor. And then this is like text heading, or the heading, this heading, and this is all other things, and this is map. What is map? You can go here and you can see like Google Map. You can drag and drop any of the place, and you see the Google Map. And then you can add your map location. You can zoom it, make height or something like that. Yeah, it's, you just need to play with that. So I added that Google Map, and then I added the location over here. Same thing for this, and this is one widget for the Facebook. So this is like 4 box, and we added all the information over here. There's so many things you can. Okay, so let's say now you will have some questions like, okay, this is like seems like very basic website. We can just add some content, image, and some buttons, and all of these things. How we can create, like, let's say for big website, e-commerce website, or make some payment gateway, and all other things. Can we do that or no? Of course you can do that, but for that you need to create one website that is secure. I mean, that comes with the SSL, secure socket layer. So as you can see, this is not secure. Your connection, this site is not secure, but the site I'm using is secure. So you can click on that, the connection is secure. So we need to buy SSL, or you need to pay for that. And other e-commerce websites, company doing the same thing. So we have all other websites. Let's say this is Michael and Guys Hair Salon. So this is one website we did from Cal, and they are using the e-commerce feature as well. So we just Google it, and okay, for pandemic probably they are closed now, but we can visit to their website. And this is the website we did for them. So on the, if you go to the website, you can see all of these basic things. This is just like one logo we just uploaded a few minutes ago, and this is like one text heading. We add the phone number, and this all the pages we did for them, and this is pricing page as well. So as you can see, we added some product. Well, for the e-commerce, I think you guys need more time, and you need to watch a lot of tutorial on YouTube, and then you will get to know what we can add through the e-commerce as well. And for the e-commerce, we just need one plugin that called Woocommerce. So this plugin will allow you to add all the payments, add all the products, and all of these things. So this plugin will give you feature to add products, and here we have other plugins. Those will allow you to add the payment system. So plugins is something that you want to add one feature, so you need to go and search for that plugin. So how can we add the feature using the plugin? Let's say you want to add like PayPal payment. So we want one PayPal payment. Okay, so you can see how to install and use WPEZ PayPal payment accept plugin. So this is a plugin name, and you can just simply copy and paste it here. So you will see a lot of plugins that are providing PayPal service. So you can easily add that plugin or install and activate, and then configure it to add to your website. So if we go to their website, and you see there is like a lot of product they have and all other company backgrounds. This one we just did a little bit ago, and they have all the pictures. So here we take like 5 box and we add one image on that box. So you can click on that product, and you can see all the product details. You can add to cart. You can pay through debit or credit card. You can use your PayPal as well. And once you click on those options, it will take to another window, and then it will allow you to pay or put your card details over there. So we have other e-commerce website example as well besides all of this.
By the way, I have a question that we will build a e-commerce website on the workshop, right?
Okay, so for the e-commerce website, we can do it, but it will take some time. I can just show you guys like how to start with the e-commerce, and then later on you can research and go step by step. It would be very easy. So if you guys are very interested to start with the e-commerce, probably on the next month or the next event, I can start the e-commerce event as well. But you guys need to have some interest. Okay, we are really gonna do it, because by coding, okay, we can do it, but it will take a lot of time. So so how can we go to the WordPress dashboard or the main page from the backend? Okay, it's very simple. Just click on that personal portfolio and then visit site. So any of the place you go, you will still find this option. So visit site, and you can see it's not the home page we just edit, it's this home page. So click on that, and then you'll come to this. And later on, I think I think we have the record, right? So later on, if you want to go and click on that, and you want to work on service page, you can just click on the service, and then you can edit the page. Or you can go to the dashboard first and go to the page. Page means all the page we have here. So you can go to the service page and then click edit, and then edit with Elementor. You can find edit with Elementor. So it's very simple, the one we did for the home page and the one we are working for the service page. So now whatever we add, it's for service page. Save it, and then from here you can see the preview changes. So click on that, and this is the service page, and this is the home page we just did, and this is the service page. So yeah, if you want to click on and edit contact us, what we need to do, same thing, we need to go to the dashboard, then all page, and then select the page, and then just click edit page, all the page, and then contact us edit. I think this is the time where I can take some questions and answer them if they have any question. Let's say we have designed one page, but it's not the home page. Then we want to make it that page as a home page. Okay, this is a very good question. Okay, so this is the page. We go to the home original website. So this is the original website. So whoever click on that page, it will come to this one. So if you want to select that home as and set as a home page, we can do this through setting. Even you can set your website, the service page as a home page. Okay, so for now we'll select the home page as a home page, and then we need to click WordPress dashboard, and you can go to setting, and then we have reading, and your home page displays. So from the reading options, you can select your latest post, or if you want to choose any specific page for your home page, so just click on the second option, and then for home page select one page. So this is all the pages we just created, we have the list here, so you can just click on the home and then save changes. So now if you go to visit page, you don't need to go to home, it will automatically appear as a home page. By the way, we have all other options here as well. On the setting page, we have general, we have writing. Okay, for the general, what we have the site title. So what is site title? It's like your website name. What is tagline? Your website tagline. And you can change to your website. You can change your website email to your email, or change to someone else. And all the user related things like time format, whatever you just do, just do it here, and then click to save changes. We have tools option as well, so here is some other option. Okay, let's say we go for writing. For writing, I think we don't have anything that much important to make changes. Okay, for the reading, we just did one thing. We just make the changes to home. Okay, so if you want to change to the home page as a service page, so you can do so from here. We have discussion, we have media. So from media, you can select like what kind of size you want to upload, medium, large, original size, all of these things. And if you want to add more images to your WordPress backend, you can click on the library from the media, and you can upload all the images over here. Well, I think these are the things pretty much all. And if you want to add one more page over here, so same thing, just you need to go to the WordPress dashboard, all page, add new page, and put your page name, and it will appear here. So guys, if you have any question, I can do that. Probably now, okay, you're welcome. Probably now you will not have many questions, but when you go and try and practice all of these things, you will have so many questions. If you practice all of these things, you will have many questions. Okay,
Yeah.
how we can delete? Yep.
No, just wanted to say that if you have any questions during, when you do the all these things, you can reach out us through Discord. So that's the main platform of communication of DSC. So you can just reach out to that platform and give a message to Brother Antor if you have any problem.
Yes. And let's say if you want to delete this, the one we added, just right click on that and then delete. So right click on that image, then delete, something like that. So I think that's all from my side. And of course, I'll help if there are any question raised on the Discord group for sure.
I mean, thanks a lot, brother, for the workshop. You have like how many website you have built through WordPress? Like 1,000? It has reached 1,000 yet?
Yes,
Right.
yes. Sorry, brother.
No, I
I
just
cannot
wanted to
hear.
ask. You have built many websites. I have seen. So, how
Ah,
many? What's the count? I mean, how many numbers it has been?
okay, so let me give you some idea about my WordPress website that I did or for my company. Basically, when I started the company, it was like on the pandemic before I back to my country, and I see like we can create some website, and then we started this website. And in that pandemic season, I mean pandemic time, we created this website. And as you can see, there is a lot of Google reviews and as well as Facebook reviews for our company. Basically, I'm the one who is controlling the company, and we have some more members. They are also helping me when I have many projects. I mean, like let's say 3 to 4 projects, and I could on finish all of those because we have classes, assignments, all of these things as well. And how many website I did, it's very tough for me, but you can get one estimate idea from here, portfolio section. And these are the websites we did. But there is no link, but once you click on that, and you can see their website appearance, how it looked like. So how it looked like. The time we did, it was something like this. We have all the products, categories, trading, western wear, something like that. All of this. This is footer. So this is like one image. And why we didn't put the link, because sometimes people always change their website, move their website one to another link, or make some modifications, something like that. So if you come to here, basically what we did, we didn't put all the websites here, but we just featured some website that basically looks good. Their appearance, their website appearance looking good, or big projects, all the big projects we did are basically featured here. So let's say for the education, if we go to S education, just now I showed, this was the previous look, their website look. So while we did their website, it was something like this, their marketing team, components, training team, all of these things. But for now, we made some changes, and that website is no longer the same.
So, brother Antor, we are coming to an end of time. The ending time is 7:30, but we will have
To
some
make some
questions.
changes,
And
and
I
we
want,
did it,
yeah, we did it.
but we did, yeah.
We did it in time. And if you guys any questions, you can ask now. Okay, I guess no one have any questions. Everyone understood. I mean,
Yeah.
you
So
were
I
that
think that's all from
were
my
that
side.
good.
Yeah.
People all understand that. Okay, no problem. No worries. Maybe brother Antor, can we stop sharing? Can I share? I just wanted to make the announcement.
Sure. All right. Yeah, thank you so much, guys.